Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I will be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position in the price chart, and predicting the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the price chart, this channel is for you. Please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to notify you anytime I drop a new video. I'll be analyzing the Firo token. It ranks number 535 on the coin market cap. At the point of recording this video, the Firo token is trading at the rate of $1.71. That's a market cap of 20 million and a fully diluted market cap of 36.6 million. We have about 11.7 million Firo tokens in circulation. So guys, what is the Firo token? The Firo token is formerly known as the Zcoin. It is a cryptocurrency that focuses on being private digital cash. It created the Lelantus privacy protocol, which allows users to burn their coins and redeem them later for brand new ones that do not have any transaction history. Prior to the Lelantus, it was also the first cryptocurrency to code and launch a practical implementation of the Zerocoin protocol, which became one of the most prevalent privacy protocols in use. Prior to it being replaced by Sigma and then Lelantus after cryptographic flaws were discovered in the Zerocoin protocol in 2019. So guys, if you want to get the Firo token, you can get the Firo token on Binance, on PancakeSwap, on Bittrex, on Gate.io, on BKS, on Coinbase Exchange, on Indodex, Tokyo Crypto, and any other exchange you get your favorite altcoin. So guys, welcome to the Firo USDT price chart. As you can see, I've labeled out my market structure. I use yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I use red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4 hours time frame. So guys, the major purpose for this video is for us to use market structure to tell our current position on Firo USDT price chart, and also to use the market structure to predict our next possible move of the Firo USDT price chart. Guys, I'll be using these two tools. I'll be using the red tool to show us our bearish move, and I'll be using the green tool to show us our bullish move. So guys, the Firo token was launched February 2021 and it was launched on the price of $6.3. Guys, the BS took the price back down to about $3.4. And guys, the first break of structure we are seeing on the Firo token was a break of structure to the upside. The boost took the price from that $3.6 and rallied up to the point of giving us $9. Guys, after every break of structure, always have it behind our mind that there's going to be a pullback. So the BS took the price from that $9 and took it back to where it was launched, $6.3. So guys, from there the boost came back, took price from that $6.3 and rallied up to $17.5. Guys, that's a break of structure to the upside. Then BS came back to the market, took the price from that $17.6 and push it back down to up. So guys, as long as this higher low that give us this higher high is not taken out, what should we expect? We should expect more break of structure to the upside. The boost came back, took price from $8 and rallied back to about $25. And guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The BS took the price from $25 and took it back to about $5, breaking structure now to the downside. Remember what I used to say on this channel. Anytime you have break of structure to the up and the downside, that's a change of character. The next thing is the supply zone or demand zone that gave us the second break of structure. Map it out, because when next in future price come to that supply or demand zone, you're going to experience a significant reaction at that zone. So guys, we're expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The bulls came back to the market, took price from that $5, took price back to about $10. But guys, remember, the higher high that gave us this lower low is not taken out. You should expect more break of structure to the downside. And sure, the BS came back, broke structure again to the downside, took price from that $10 and rallied down back to about $3.9. Guys, after the break of structure to the downside, we're expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that $4 and rallied back to about $11, breaking structure to the upside. This is a double break of structure, breaking structure to the downside and breaking structure to the upside. So now expecting a pullback. Yeah, we got a pullback. The BS took price back down to gobbling down to about $1, expecting a pullback. Yeah, the boost came back, took price from that $1, rallied back to about $7. And guys, expecting a pullback, the boost took price from that $1, rallied back to about $7. So guys, what's our current position on the Firo USDT price chart? On our major structure, we just saw price broke structure to the downside. We expected the pullback. Sure, we've gotten a pullback. Now, price is in between this lower low and this lower high. Let's move to our 4 hours time frame. Let's analyze our minor structure. On our lower time frame, what do we see? We see break of structure to the downside. The BS took price from $12, took it back to about $4. And yes, expecting a pullback, we got a pullback. Price pullback from $4.6 back to about $7. So guys, BS came back, took price from that $7, took it back to about $2.9. And guys, that's another break of structure. The bulls came back to the market, rallied the market from that $2.9 and rallied it back to about $5.5. That's the bearish trend. Guys, as long as this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. Sure, the BS came back, took price from that $5.5, took it back down to about $1. And guys, expecting a pullback, we saw a pullback. The boost came back, took price from that $1 and rallied it back to about $7. This is a change of character. This is a break of structure to the downside and also to the upside. So guys, from there, we're expecting a pullback. Sure, the BS came back, took price from that $7.5 and rallied it back to about $1.5. Guys, to the $1 billion question, what's our current position? We just saw a break of structure to the downside on our major time frame. Price has pulled back and we see price going back down to the demand zone that gave us this lower high. Then on our minor structure, we just saw another break of structure to the upside. We're expecting a pullback. Sure, this is a pullback. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think from where price is trading now, price will get to this demand zone, even break the demand zone to give us all-time lows? Or do you think from this demand zone, price will rally back to this supply zone, and from the supply zone, turn back and go back to gobbling down? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video.